Welcome. If you've ever found yourself searching through a mountain of Dropbox files trying to locate just the ones you worked on today, this guide is for you. I'm here to show you an easy, updated way to find every file you've modified today using the Dropbox app. Let's get started. First, open up the Dropbox app on your device. As soon as it launches, look for the search bar at the top of your screen. This is the gateway to everything you've stored, so go ahead and tap on it. Now, here's where the magic happens. Right next to where you type your search, you'll notice a little filter icon. This is the date filter. Tap on that filter icon to open up your date options. A menu will appear, giving you a few choices to narrow down your search. What we want is date modified. Tap on that, and you'll see several preset time frames pop up. Select today. This tells Dropbox you're only looking for files that have been changed or updated since midnight. Once you've set the date filter to today, you can make your search even more precise. In the search bar, type the name of the file you're looking for, or just leave it blank if you want to see every file you've worked on today. Then simply hit search. Immediately, Dropbox will pull up a list of all files that were modified today, organized and easy to browse. Scroll through and find exactly what you need. No more endless swiping or second-guessing if a document is up to date. And there you have it. In less than a minute, you've learned a fast and smart way to track down today's work on Dropbox. Next time you need to access your most recent files, just follow these quick steps and get back to what matters. Thanks for following along.